Anita Nevar. Now, Anita's just done the show with us the last couple of weeks, and she's fantastic. She's an erotic artist with some absolutely amazing work. Had a great time. We actually did it in the studio down in Moorlambar, which we do have these days. But Anita, tell me how it was for you and what's happened afterwards.
Look, I had an absolute ball coming into the studio, and you know, just the energy working with you guys and, you know, putting what I do out, it was wonderful. And you were so organized and easy to work with, and we had fun, a few good laughs, which was great. So look, I thought the whole experience from the start, even just talking to you when I first connected with you and talking about getting on the show, from there right through to finishing it, it was just a wonderful experience, and it's something I would definitely do again. If somebody said, would you do that again? Absolutely. It was so positive and powerful. And look, in terms of doing the show, and now that it's out, I've found that it's a really good medium for putting your stuff out into the big beyond. And I've had a lot of really good feedback, people contacting me. I've had opportunities come through my email to be presented in feature articles, arts articles. So I think, you know, only being in the early days, and this is already starting, I know the potential down the track, having this promotional video out about my work is going to be huge. So
that's fantastic.
It's wonderful.
And we push it into other areas as we go along from now on anyway. So you'll get the benefits of that as it goes out into these other systems as well.
Yeah, it's great. So
thumbs
up.
Yeah,
thanks for having me.